Hello trader, welcome back to another gold analysis for the first day of the trading week. As expected, the market opened with a gap, and we can see there is a significant movement so far in the first two sessions of the trading week. And let's see now where we can find potential entry opportunity. As we can see, the market again in a pullback. So before we look at further lower time frame, let's look at first of all again to the monthly to see overall direction in the market. So from the monthly we can see that this market is in fact in a very strong bullish momentum at the moment. As expected, we can see that with this monthly strong impulse, the market is aggressively moving back to the upside, where this is the previous resistance which is turning support here. And from that support, this monthly candlestick pattern, we saw there was a sharp bounce. At that bounce, the market currently breaking above to the all-time high. So as it is a historically bull market, so the flow to the upside is much more stronger than the bearish move. So higher time frame price action also showing that potential further movement to the upside. So lower time frame trading opportunity could be always in the bullish direction at the moment. So looking at weekly chart to see how the market open, we can see that weekly opening there is a gap open here which is showing as a weakness candle on trading view. And with that gap open, what we can see here, this is the weekly bullish engulfer, followed by previous weekly candlestick pattern is also a bull candle with a equal week on both sides. So that's a potential continuation pattern. As with this bullish engulfer, the market here has shown significant bullish continuation pattern, and today's price action we can see open with a gap, and the price is heading in the direction of the trend. So here is what we can expect for the market to potentially drop for a pullback. And what I think that any pullback can be a potential opportunity to go long in this market. Now dropping down to the daily chart to see how the price action is forming. Now the daily price action is much more clearer than other time frames. Here is what we can see, that there is a break from this support level, which is a complete break of structure. And we have seen after forming this double bottom, the price has started to move in the direction of the trend, creating series of higher high and higher low, followed by a complete break of structure here. So here is the biggest break in this move, and we saw that after that the bulls has got a very strong momentum here. Every day there was a full green candles that has given a high probability for this market to potentially move back to the upside, and followed by when we see the red candle formation, we can see the narrower red candles. That's the sign that the sellers are weaker in this market. So Friday, last day of the trading week, we saw that there was this long week candle is quite significant as the sellers tried to break that low. Instead, we saw a huge long week candles, which is a sign that there has been buying, and with this huge green candle also stronger bullish price action. And as a result, today we see the first day of trading week. Once the candlestick pattern here, what we see that there was a gap open, and immediately the bulls started to break that price back to the upside. And so far in the first couple of hours of this day, we see the market almost move around 700 pip, and currently it's in a pullback. So this is the level that we can look for potential entry. Now if we look at the intraday time frame, here is the gap open with this doji, a clean move to the upside. Currently it's on a pullback. So this is the 4 hour time frame where this current session, if we look at, it's still 2 hours to go for this candle to close. What I think that the market may try to retest any of this important intraday support. That's where I'm looking at for potential entry. If we see that the market has dropped well below any of this level, as this is an order block here, so which is an important resistance, which is turning support here. And in this 15 minutes time frame, we can see there is a break of structure, which is a zone that we can look for potential next entry opportunity. Here is the market may form potential bullish channel, so this is could be the potential opportunity for the upcoming session. And we see the lower time frame, there is a slower breakdown. This is where, as soon as we see the market has broken below any of this level, after a price action confirmation, we can look for potential bullish opportunity in this market. So let's see how the price action is forming. Traders, if you want to get more updates, also stay connected by subscribing and also pressing that bell notification, so that you're not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.